Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've actually recorded a video because I've been between my bike breaking, the weather and work, haven't really been having the chance to come out and actually record a video. So the past few have been shorts, and I will continue to do shorts because they seem to do quite well on YouTube, so I'll keep that up as well. And I've had a lot of good feedback. And since last time we've actually passed 200 subscribers, so I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you. And I'm actually here with two of those subscribers here today, and I want to say hello.
Hi.
It's a big thanks to everyone again saying and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. So without further ado, we are at Mill Brace. You can't really see it from that picture, but we're going to do a couple laps, see what happens, and yeah, let's just get straight into the video now. First lap. Did make it a little chill one. As you can probably tell, it's quite windy today, so tricks are really hard to do, but I'm going to try anyway. It might be just like style jibs and whips today, but I'll try and get some tricks done. I'll try and find the gap in the wind. So yeah, let's get into the next run now. Alright, run 2. We're going to try with the cable in a second. Very small table. I've always said tables are better on head camera. Every time I do table on the chest, I always whack the camera with like my bar. So yeah, it's usually a bit better on the head cam, which I might do. Mix it up a little, and I might try and see if I can get some third person shots as well, because you guys like those more than POV sometimes, so I'll try and do that as well. Alright, gonna try tuck the hander on second this time and kick off with pick up bar spin. That wind made it sketchy. Well, I did detect the hander, but I don't know if you could tell through the audio, but there was a lot of wind on it, so it was quite small. But I might just take that, do like some sort of lap, 180 half cab on last, and go from there really. As usual, which is a shame actually, but loads of winds means loads of jibs, so something good. Jibbing is good, I'm enjoying it. It's a bit too windy for actual big tricks, which is a shame, because that's what I'm more intended to come here to do. But it's alright, we'll get on, get some footage, see what else we can do really.
Hello.
Let's run this 17 run. You got it. Mini table. Whip on this one. Manny this. I 180. Half cab out. Oh. On that note, I think I'm going to call it the end of today's video. It's too windy, I don't want to put like the same clips over and over again. So I think that probably will be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a bit of a different video, just mostly jibs and style in today's. Not many tricks, because I like to do tricks more than style. Well, I like to ideally do both, but I'm more of a trick guy than style guy. So I suppose it was good practice for that. But we'll try to come back on a less windy day, and yeah, see ya. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more, leave me a comment below, and until next time, I'll see you then.